Hi, and this is Jennifer with truehealth for you. And today I thought I would talk a little bit about what you can do for gray hair. And I hear a lot of conversations around this, many opinions on what's going on. I hear a lot that it's a genetic issue, and just don't get so locked in on this whole genetic thing, just because your doctors, you've taken this test and it's now saying that, genetically you're deficient in this and, you're going to be more prone to this. Just know that you actually can still change things, even though things are like genetic and maybe have been passed through generations in your family. You actually can turn it around, but that's a whole other conversation that we can have, because that tends to be a flame that gets ignited with people when you start talking about genetics. So this is going to be about what you can do nutritionally to help with hair that is starting to gray. So what's interesting about the enzyme that is in charge of the pigmentation of our hair depends a lot on copper. Now, where we can get copper are things like shellfish, like shrimp, crab, mussels, oysters, scallops, things like that. And also zinc. Zinc is another mineral that's really important for hair. Also, the fat-soluble vitamin A, retinal, which you can get from like liver and eggs and many different sources. And if you've been staying away from these type of foods, you may notice that you have more gray hair than you would like. So my recommendation is, if you are an oyster fan, if you would start getting like maybe 6 oysters a week. Super easy, right? 6 oysters a week if you're an oyster fan. Start implementing more shrimp into your diet. If you like mussels, clams, And then you'll also get the zinc as well. And then, for vitamin A, you can either eat more eggs, have liver, do like a beef liver pate. Beef liver specifically. Beef liver is going to be higher in nutrients because it's such a large animal, and it's usually ruminant animals, large ruminant animals. They are going to have better quality like milk and meats and organs and things like that. So you can do beef liver pate, an ounce a day, or maybe 3 to 4 ounces a week would be great. If you need any recipes for that, just kind of, you can put in the comments below that you would like a recipe for that, and I don't mind sending that to you. But honestly, when I keep up with my shellfish, and I'm not the biggest raw oyster fan, I have to cook them, but sometimes I'll just take a supplement. I'll take a zinc supplement. I take a vitamin A supplement from Ideal Labs. It's a wonderful supplement company. And and then I'll do I'm not a fan of having just eating like a liver, like frying it up like liver and onions. I do better with making a really flavorful liver pate. A lot of times I'll put that in like ground beef and make hamburgers, meatballs, meatloaf. Hide it. You use a lot of fresh herbs, a lot of sauces, and actually you can't even taste it. So there's a lot of different tricks and hacks. If you need help with, just reach out. But other than that, that's what I had to say around it. So let me know if this is something that you've tried out and it's been 3 to 4 weeks and you've noticed a difference. Let me know, and hope you found this helpful. All right, till next time.